In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MyChart. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make it as easy as possible. MyChart is a very useful application that allows you to manage your healthcare information right from your mobile device. First things first, you need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Locate the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it to open the store. The Google Play Store is where you can find millions of apps, including MyChart, ready for download. If you have trouble finding it, remember it's the colorful triangle icon, usually labeled as Play Store. Once you have the Play Store open, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on this search bar to activate it. Now type in the words MyChart and hit the search button on your keyboard. MyChart is a product of Epic Systems, and typing it correctly will ensure you find the right app without any hassle. Now, your screen will display a list of apps. Look for MyChart by Epic Systems. It should be near the top of your search results. Tap on the app name to open its detailed page. This page provides you with more information about MyChart, including user reviews and screenshots. Next, you will see the Install button on this page. Go ahead and tap on Install. This is an important step as it initiates the download and installation process. The app will begin downloading onto your device. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. While you wait, let me share a quick insight. MyChart is designed to make your life easier by providing access to your medical records, appointment scheduling, and much more. This is why it's such a popular app among healthcare users. Once the download is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap on Open to launch the app for the first time. This action allows you to start exploring the app's features immediately. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded and opened MyChart on your Android device. You will now be able to manage your healthcare information conveniently. Remember, downloading apps from the Google Play Store is generally secure, but always ensure you are downloading the official version. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Goodbye for now, and happy charting with MyChart.